Good morning children, welcome to the online classes. Children, today we will start the fourth Roman. See children, what is that fourth Roman? Round off the following decimals to the nearest one. What is that children? Round off the following decimals to the nearest one. See children, how to estimate the decimals of the nearest ones. I am saying here, I am taking one number children. So here see children, some numbers are there. See children, 42632 means 42,632 point. After point we will read the numbers like separately children, like 54.54. Point means we are calling like this. This one is decimal. What is the children? Decimal. So this one is tens place, and this one is ones place. See children, after decimal point we will take the numbers like this one is tens place and this one is ones place. Here see children, as usual we are taking place values ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, like that children. See children, you should observe after decimal point we take the numbers, digits, the place values tens and ones, tens, like that we will take that numbers children. See children, here we have the one problem children. See what is the given number children? 8.4. So 8.4 after decimal, which place children? This 4 is after decimal. This place is tens place. Okay children, and this place is ones place. Okay children, this place is tens place and 8 place is ones place. So children, so rounding of the decimals nearest to the ones. How to write children? So rule number 2 is there, na children. The tens place value is less than 5 means we will keep that 0 in tens place, means after decimal point we will keep zeros and before point of the digits write as usual children. See children, so for this one is 8. So 4 is less than 5. Less than 5 means after decimal point the digit is less than 5 means we should keep that 0, and before decimal of the digit we should write like that as usual. So 8.0. What is that children? 8.0. So how to write children? 8.4 is nearer to 8.0 than 9. What is that children? Than 9. So 8.4 is rounded off to 8.0. Okay children. Next one see children, what is the given number? 14.3. 14.3. So after decimal the place value of 3 is tens place. Before decimal the place value of 4 is ones and tens. Okay children, ones and tens. See children, we want to observe in this place value after decimal point, after decimal what is the given digit children? That one is 3. That means that 3 is less than 5. Less than 5 means how to keep that children? Less than 5 means after point we will keep 0 and before decimal the numbers write as usual. So 14.0. The answer is 14.0. How to write children? This one is 14.3 is nearer to 14.0 than 13. So 14.3 is rounded off to, what is the number children? Rounded off to 14.0. Okay children. Next substitute children, what is the given number? 88.9. 88.9. After decimal point the number is 9. So this is tens place. Before decimal this is ones place and this one is tens place. See children, after decimal point we have 9. So in the tens place 9. 9 is greater than 5. So greater than 5 means the rule is add 2 plus 1 to the ones place. Add to the plus 1 to the ones place, and here keep that one is 0. Here keep that one is 0. See children, how to write? The rule number 2 is after decimal point the digit is greater than 5 means we should keep 0, and before point 9. So after decimal point keep that all the digits 0. So what is the answer, children? 88.9 is nearer to 89.0 than 90. Than 90. So 88.9 is rounded off to 89.0. Okay, children. Next one, see children, what is the given number is 149.3. What is that? 149.3. After the decimal point, this one is tens place. Before decimal, this one is ones, this one is tens, and this one is hundreds. So 149.3. After decimal, the tens place value is 3. 3 means that is the less than 5. Less than 5 means how to write this one is, children? Less than 5 means that the rule is after point we will keep the zeros, and before decimal you should write all the numbers as usual, as it is, children. So that one is 149.0. So 149.3 is nearer to 149.0 than 150. Okay, children. So 149.3 is rounded off to 149.0. Okay, children. Next one, see children. So round off the following decimals to the nearest tens. What is that, children? Round off the following decimals to the nearest tens. See children, here one example there, children. 42,632.54. See children, here this one is tens place and this one is hundreds place. What is that, children? Hundreds place. For this sum, see children, what is the given sum, children? So 24.48. So 24.48. So this place is tens and this place is hundreds. What is that, children? This place is tens and this place is hundreds. And this place is ones and this place is tens. Okay, children? After decimal we will estimate the numbers. We will take the numbers tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s like that. Before decimal we are taking like that as usual, like place values ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s like that, children. Okay, children? For this sum, see children, so 24.48. So we want to observe in 100th place. 100th place means this one is. So in 100th place, that one is greater than 5 means we want to add plus 1 to the 10th place value. And write this number is as usual 0. Okay, children, how to write it? So after decimal, we want to observe in 100th place. So what is that in 100th place, children? 8. 8 is greater than 5. Greater than 5 means we want to add plus 1 to the 10th place. That means 4 plus 1 is 5. And replace by in 100th place 0. So what is the answer, children? 24.50. So answer is 24.48 is nearer to 24.50. And next, so 24.48 is rounded off to 24.50. Okay, children? And next one, see children. So 90.08. 90.08. So in 100th place, this one is hundreds, this one is tens, and this one is ones, tens. After decimal, we will take this one is tens and hundreds. See children, here hundreds place, what is the given number is 8. 8 means greater than 5. Greater than 5 means we should add 2 plus 1 to the tens place. After decimal. See children, I am writing after decimal. So 8 is greater than 5 means add plus 1 to the decimal. 0 plus 1 is 1. And write the replace by in hundreds place 0. So before the decimal point, write like this 90. 90.0. So you rounded off to, so 90.08 is rounded off to 90.10. Okay children, this is today's class children. Copy these sums in your C1 children.